Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. An amount of 2000 is made up with the notes of denominations $100, $50, $20, and $10 notes. The number of $10 notes are 3 times the number of $20 notes. The number of $20 notes are 2 times the number of $50 notes. And the number of $50 notes are 2 times the number of $100 notes. There are total dash notes of denomination 50. We will have to make equations based on this information. Now let the number of $20 notes be x. Let the number of $20 notes be x. Therefore, number of $10 notes will be 3x. According to first statement, $10 notes are 3 times the number of $20 notes. Now the number of $20 notes are 2 times the number of $50 notes. Therefore, number of $50 notes is half the number of $20 notes. So x by 2. Now the number of $50 notes are 2 times the number of $100 notes. So that will be therefore number of $100 notes equal to x by 2 and half of that, so x by 4. Now the total money that these notes are making, they amount to $2,000. So since it's $100 notes, it will be 100 multiplied by x by 4. If I have two notes of $100, I'll have 2 into 100, that is $200. So this will be the amount made by $100 notes plus 50 into x by 2 plus 10 into 3x plus 20 into x. All of these amount to $2,000. This is 4 to the 8 and 4 5s are 20. So we have 25x plus 25x again here plus this is 30x, this is 20x equal to $2,000. So this will be equal to 25 plus 25 is 50, 50 plus 30, 80, 80 plus 20 again 100. So we have 100x equal to 2000. So we get x equal to 2000 divided by 100, which is equal to 20. Now number of $50 notes is x by 2. Number of $50 notes equal to x by 2 equal to 20 by 2 equal to 10. So answer is option A.